Enrico has his own voting menu. By voting, you will decide on group activities. Enrico votes for spending common group US dollar. Enrico suggests to send a bit of currency to Maria. You may also enter her full domain name, maria.bocajr.arc, since this example runs on ARC testnet. And then, again, agree. Hey, there is an open proposal waiting for a vote. Maria executes sending $1.50 to herself. Of course, Maria votes in her own favor. Successfully executed a group decision on ARC testnet, thanks. That's the way Ungravel groups do daily business. To go back, double-click the domain name of Maria.